Krishna says in the Gita, in chapter 4, verse 11, Ye tamam prapadyante tam sataiva bhajamyam. As you surrender unto me, prapadyante, I surrender unto you. So what does that mean? That means that if you're surrendering to Krishna more and more, that means he's surrendering to you, which means he comes to you. He appears in your heart and mind, and you feel his presence. Let's say Radha and Krishna's presence. So this is it's reciprocal. You surrender, so your surrender will be genuine because Krishna comes to you. He comes to your heart and mind. He's not playing in your intellect. He's not playing in your intellect as some concept or some discriminative function or some choice, and intelligent choice. He's actually with you. You feel his presence in your heart and mind. Ye tamam prapadyante tam sadeva bhajamyam. So surrender, love, and remembrance are all connected. You can surrender to someone you fully love, and you can remember someone you fully love. So the more you're remembering your beloved, the more you're surrendering. So in our case, we remember Krishna by serving, and we remember Krishna by dedicating our intelligence, our mind, everything to him. It comes under the category of gradual process. It's a gradual process of surrender. That's why Krishna says, as you surrender to me 1 degree, I surrender to you 1 degree. You surrender to me 5 hours, I surrender to you 5 hours. Oh, I remember Krishna and talk about Krishna for 3 hours a day. And the rest of the day, I don't know what I do. It just goes here and there. Where's my laundry? Where's the food? Do this, do that. That's the niskinchan. Niskinchan, they don't have anything going on in this world. They don't have anything going on in this world. They're just lost in their remembrance of Radha and Krishna, in their internal mood of surrender. They've surrendered to such an extent that Krishna has wrapped himself around their hearts and minds, because they're fully surrendered.